Okay, the last thing to do on the tranny we install is install this. So we're going to heat this up to 450 degrees. I'm going to stick that sucker right on there like it's butter. So I'm going to leave that right here out the edge so that we can heat it up evenly and not hit the belt. Remember, don't cook the belt. What are you doing over there?
Don't break anything.
What the hell are you doing? What are you doing over there? What's going on over there? You got a gun right there. What's the problem? What happened to your torch?
Listen, I had a torch and you asked me to go get a heat gun. Which one do you want?
The heat gun. The gun to tell you what the heat is.
Oh.
Dumbass.
Heat gun. This is what he called. Whoa. This is what he called a heat gun. Okay?
What's that? Heat gun.
I went and got a heat gun for him and he's like, what the fuck is that? What did you bring that for?
What was that? What was that? No, heat gun.
Alright.
How hot is that? Don't keep moving. I put it right where I wanted it.
Right now, that product is 65.8 degrees.
No, it's 68 degrees it says up there. That's wrong.
Well, it's a little cooler.
You moved it again. Okay, we want to heat that up, but we don't want to heat it up so much that we hit the shaft up too. So that's why you put it out here. And you gotta make sure you get the edge on the outside so it doesn't go in too far. And then we're gonna slip this one on without heating it. And don't touch the belt on fire or the plug. Or my handle. There's a heat gun up. If that turns blue, you start losing heat to it. Yellow's okay, but not blue. Turning yellow. Turning blue already. And you should check the temperature. Remember I told you about the blue port?
124.
Bullshit.
164.
How come it's blue? Let's get really close to it. Why don't you hold on the bottom too and so this on one side? So you pick up the 160 degrees, grab with your fingers. Alright, get out of the way. See that?
You serious?
I had to beat the hell out of it last time. But he overcooked it though.
He's like, Luke, make it 450.
It's,
130 degrees.
yeah, well, touch it. Did you slab it melt at 80 degrees? I'll give you a hint. Blue is 700 degrees and on up. That's what that means. When you saw that yellow coming up, that was 500 to 600, probably more like 6. When it went blue, it's hot. And you only cooked one side, you can go all the way around. That's why I told you at the bottom too, because that way the whole thing swells up.
Ooh, bro, you didn't see me? I was going over all, I was moving.
You finally did. Yeah, you're moving all right. You're moving your mouth.
Let me put my heat gun away.
Your heat gun sucks.
My heat gun, I'm gonna put it away.
That heat gun sucks. How hot is that pulley right there? Is that 100 degrees too? How hot do you think that spit came off of there? How hot do you think that spit was? It disappeared quickly. Alright. So we need to get that regulator up in the front before we put the inner primary on so we got room. There's crap on the floor over here. I don't know what's going on here.
Oh, excuse me. It's the heat gun that he asked
It's that hot air gun.
What'd you bring that over here for?
It's that hot air gun. It's full of hot air. See that regulator down there? We gotta put that on. And juniors. Obviously your heat gun does not work on reflective material with the crap. Remember that. Okay, where's all this wiring go for this thing?
Lord only knows. So this just plugs in right here. Fairly simple. Walking through the shop here.
I'll go on the other side.
Okay.
Which size wrenches do we need? Those 1/4 inch? 7/5, 7/16? Grab a 7/16, open end.
looks like 7 to me.
It's what?
7/16 is what it looks like.
I know, that's what I grabbed. Okay, you go ahead and do what you're gonna do with the wire, and I'll do what I gotta do over here to
All right.
make it line up halfway decent. Oh, okay, I got no pad over here.
Let me send one your way.
I got a question. Why did you put that on the outside of the frame instead of the inside of the frame?
Oops.
There they are. Where'd you get those from? Those are nice. I like those.
Yeah, I know this guy.
You know this guy, huh?
He got a really good deal on them too. I'll tell you a story someday.
Okay. You gonna put this on the outside or inside the frame? There you go. Try that one.
Well,
Maybe
it
underneath the
appears
link.
that it's probably been on the outside, the way it's turned, but
What about going underneath the link?
this is just guessing. Ooh, I like it.
Put it down over there. Like that. Put this one over there too.
This is a masterpiece.
You like that? Is that good?
This goes like this. This is going here like this. And have this on that little knobber. Oh,
You got this on upside down.
Christ, you got it on upside down. Okay. Alright, because it seems like that should. Yeah. It's really hard to find good help, yeah.
Say a word.
It's real hard to find good help these days. Okay,
We got extra clips in the tube or something.
all making more sense.
Watch that chrome.
You mean on that fender that I dented today?
I'll show you how to straighten that out one day.
Someday.
It involves a hammer and the ground. If you're lucky, you get a piece of paper to go down under it. Okay, we're gonna do with all these wires we got jammed in here where they don't fit.
That's kind of how they go. So they go like this. Oh yeah, because this, I can have this guy here. He wants to be like this, like this.
You want this to go on the inside of that bolt or on the outside? I think it's probably on the
Maybe
inside.
like that. Okay.
Like that's best, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
We want to go on the outside. We can go on the outside if you want. What do you think, the outside or inside? Probably the outside. You got a lot of length and it's...
Yeah, it's weird. They definitely like a lot of length. Looks like this is.
What about this one? This one's real long too? Let's put it on the outside too. Pick it up, pick it up. We'll put them both on the outside.
Oh man, no, anything over here. I gotta come back up.
Okay.
Take out the stud. Turn. Okay. No, I really want this guy. Two.
Is that what it was
Looks
before?
like he needs that one.
Is it different?
Yeah, this guy needs to come.
Want that on the inside?
Oh, no, maybe not. Yeah.
We can put it on the inside if you
He's
want.
supposed to go on the inside, I believe, Tatro.
Stick it under. Stick it under.
Okay, like that.
So you happy like that now?
Yep, I like that.
You want to put that clip on here to hold this, or does it matter?
Now
Yeah,
the
that
clip
clip's
is on
there.
this little guy here.
There's 2 clips.
And we're on.
We got 2 clips, so we got more clips.
Oh, I see. This is supposed to slide here. Over here. Oh, up there.
You should hook them to that one in the corner.
This was just zip tied up in there, I believe, before, Tatro.
This wasn't on there anymore? This had to be on something.
Oh, we got one right here, so I'm guessing this mounts right here on top of that bolt as well. And it's supposed to wrap around this right here, right? So this goes here.
I'm assuming, but I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, it's the exact same way on the opposite side.
Or we had 2 on one side, I don't know.
No, you had one here holding this and probably one here holding this, right? One for each side there. I can't see that with my eyeballs. Am I on it?
You're on it now. I'm not sure how it's going to help you any, but
I don't either. I think it's fairly useless, but it holds it, and then we can put a little zip right here probably. That's probably what that is for. That is for to put a zip tie in there and then zip this to that. That's exactly what that's supposed to be. What did I do with my zipper? I hate not being able to see anymore, Tatro.
your glasses, you lose them? Yeah, braille working pretty good.
You're already talking enough crap online. I don't need 4 eyes jokes as well, you know. It's my
Braille works pretty good, yeah, that's what I use.
My self-esteem kind of takes so many hits this week.
The wires are being finished yet?
Not yet. Give us some time. We'll get it. Sure.
I forced my to a nut on that side.
Sorry, not at all. There's no nut there, so help if I put it on for you.
Maybe that's why it doesn't work.
Alright, put that wrench back over here.
That's why I've smoothed on my wrench. It hits the fender and hurt it.
Exactly. There's already dings in it, you know?
I see the dings, but they're not from it. Okay, no wires in or anything? Is it good? We're clear?
Yes, sir.
Torque?
Do not see any
Right.
before she does it wrong.
Okay, they're tight.
Temperature wise, you said?
It's not that hot. I didn't want to go on. There's a little grease or oil on it or something. We got grease, so we use grease.
Yeah, it's good.
It's a lot drier than it used to be over here. I'm thinking something burned on the wall for it.
There's a constant in there.
That means you're at least 500 degrees. Good thing we had a temperature gun instead of weren't that high.
You know,
This grease is pretty crappy for being STP.
Jim sends little stickers for you, so when they turn blue or something like that, you know you're at temperature.
It already turned blue.
I forget what color it is. And I don't get it too hot.